Okay, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with some of the kits that I got from Sephora. Pardon me, and when I buy kits, I buy them for the years so to last. So I like getting a lot of product in my kits. To begin with, I started off actually with the Pretty Fresh. This is the Pretty Fresh tint. I mixed 4N and 8N together. And I also used the Pretty Fresh concealer as well. And from there, I went ahead and used the, let's see, the Get Sandy. This is the Putty Bronzer by Colourpop, so that's what I have on as far as that goes. I did go ahead and put on one of the lipsticks. This one is actually, it's kind of cute. It's from The Nightmare Before Christmas, and so it's actually an ornament that you can get. And then I also got the Hocus Pocus too, and I have that on as well. As far as that, this is a lip gloss. Let's see here. And I am fighting a cold, so here we go for lipstick here. And that's a pretty nude. It's kind of a beigey nude. As far as what I have on for the cheeks, I did get the LYS kit, and so this one has 3 colors in there. It has, let's see, Unforgettable, which is what I have on now. It has Empower, which is this really pretty dark burgundy, and then it has this one, which is Grateful, which is really pretty mauve. And then as far as the eyeshadow, I use the Colourpop Clear the Air palette, and you can get this one on the Colourpop website. I use this one on the inner corner, this one also on the inner corner. This one is the base, these 2 on the lid, and then this one right here on the brow bone. As far as the way that look came out, yeah, it's so shiny. I don't think I need an eyeliner with it, so not worrying about that. Did also go ahead and get these, the Charlotte Tilbury packet, and these are the wands. This one's regular highlighter. I have it on my chin and on my nose. And this one is Pinkgasm. I have it on my cheeks. These are about half the size of the regular ones. And then the SAIE. And these, you can put them on as highlighters or use them under your foundation. I went ahead and put them under my foundation. In the holiday kit from Sephora, these are all from Sephora, you get 2 different colors. And I think that's just about everything that I have on at the moment, other than some finishing powder and a little bit of the 4th Ray Glisten Up to make everything shine. But yeah, that's the way the look worked. Oh, and the Essence Make Me Brow in Light Ash Brown. But that's the whole video, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye. Oh, yeah, it's one of those videos, sorry. Okay, so I did do swatches. This one is going to be the Unforgettable that I have on. This one is Grateful, and this one is going to be Empower. So those are the swatches of the LYS blushes. Again, you get a lot. It's not full size, but I don't expect to go through these because you do get a lot. And that's the end of the video. So thank you and have a great day.